Bangon na. I never knew how powerful these words are until someone said it at talagang kumurot sa puso. There were days that you allow yourself to grieve, to be sad, to deal with your heartaches, but sometimes we slowly being comforted to stay there in the longest time. Ayaw na nating umusad, ayaw na nating tumuloy sa buhay, ayaw na nating bumangon ulit. Pero alam mo, hindi naman hihinto ang mundo kapag nasaktan ka, kapag pinili mong huminto. Kaya huwag ka din sanang sumukong mabuhay, kasi pagpapala ka sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Blessing din pala yung mga taong tatapat sa atin mo. Yung mga taong hahayaan ka to take your time to heal, but will never let the chance to slip away to wake you up when it's time. And to have that someone who will never let you down is a big blessing. Dear, bangon na. Maraming naghihintay sa pagbabalik mo. Your present troubles are not yet your destination. May uusad pa. Masakit na yon, pero hindi yan panghabang buhay. One day, you will love again. I'm sure you will. With love and prayers, Noel.